bikers discipline, you can call it. They always, this is the wetland area. Maybe somewhere here it is the ummedganj bird watching site. मॉर्निंग वॉक काफ़ी बच्चे और बुजुर्ग एंड यंगस्टर्स निकले हुए हैं। राजस्थान में हाड़ौती क्षेत्र जो पानी से लबालब भरा हुआ है, आप जब राजस्थान में प्रवेश करते हैं तो आपको ऐसा महसूस नहीं होता है कि आप राजस्थान में, क्योंकि राजस्थान की इमेज एक रेगिस्तान की तरह बनी हुई है। सो इन हाड़ौती almost all complete region is placed inside the मध्य प्रदेश का एक टुकड़ा जैसे लगता है। A big canal, people have stopped here so that all can gather. So Mr. Sharans is requesting the bikers to go in a single line, because people used to scatter here and there. R15 bikes are also here, FZs, Activas, X-Pulse. Construction activities around the kota is in full swing. Girls are also riding on this trip with solo and with their companions. Enjoy the raw beauty of the nature, with many Australian baboons on the right side and the big canal on the left hand side, with distant small hills and hillocks. लोग टहल टहल के आ रहे हैं दूर दूर से। ये वी, दैट इज विराट, जो शिप था हमारा इंडियन नेवी का, उसके स्टील से बना है। वी बाइक्स विच वर मेड फ्रॉम द बजाज कंपनी, बट आई थिंक दीज वी बाइक्स आर now stopped for production. People do overtake. They are making the videos of this trip. I don't know whether this trip will suffice for the GoPro battery, because I have only one battery. Don't think that it will last for that time. So it देखिए आप पानी में शानदार लहरें उठती हुई, and the bikers are in a single queue going along the big canal. A beautiful scene to be filmed. Empty farms और सुबह पक्षी परिंदे उड़ते हुए, लंबे लंबे पेड़ यूकेलिप्टस के, पीपल के, नीम के, जिनमें ताजी ताजी पत्तियां खिलती हुई, वाटर बॉडी के सहारे जो लहर आती है, that is also beautiful. This one small anicut which have the gates to release the water. And I think this is the Ummedganj palace. Now the off-road trails is here. So now we will go in the off-road. This also has its own beauty. As said by Mr. Ramawat, very long trees are here and off-roading is also here. लेकिन धूल उड़ते हुए, एक की धूल दूसरे को झेलनी पड़ती है भाई. You have to bear it. Team sentiments are here. Old structure, I think built by the bird watching tower.